Car insurance is a crucial aspect of responsible vehicle ownership, and understanding the different types of coverage is essential for making informed decisions. Two primary types of car insurance are comprehensive coverage and liability-only coverage. Each serves a distinct purpose and provides varying levels of protection. In this article, we'll explore the key differences between comprehensive and liability-only car insurance. 1. Coverage scope. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage, often referred to simply as COMP, is a type of insurance that provides protection against a wide range of non-collision related incidents. It covers damage to your vehicle that is not caused by an accident with another vehicle. Common examples of incidents covered by comprehensive insurance include theft, vandalism, hail damage, fire, floods, falling objects like tree branches, and hitting an animal, such as a deer. Comprehensive insurance is also commonly used to replace a stolen vehicle. Liability-only coverage. Liability-only insurance, on the other hand, provides coverage for damages and injuries you cause to other people or property when you are at fault in an accident. It does not cover any damage to your own vehicle or personal injuries. Liability coverage is often required by law in most states, with minimum coverage limits specified. The minimum limits typically include coverage for bodily injury to others and property damage liability. 2. What's covered? Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive insurance covers both the damage to your vehicle and the associated costs of repairs or replacement, minus your deductible. This means that if your car is stolen or damaged in a covered incident, comprehensive insurance will pay for the necessary repairs or replacement up to the actual cash value of your vehicle, minus the deductible amount you've chosen. Liability-only coverage. Liability-only insurance only covers the costs you are legally obligated to pay to others for their injuries or property damage in an accident where you are at fault. It does not provide any coverage for your own medical expenses or vehicle repairs. 3. Cost differences. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive insurance tends to be more expensive than liability-only coverage because it provides broader protection. The cost of comprehensive insurance is influenced by various factors, including the value of your vehicle, your chosen deductible, your location, and your driving history. Liability-only coverage. Liability-only insurance is generally more affordable than comprehensive coverage. Since it only covers damage you cause to others, it has lower premiums. However, the cost of liability insurance can still vary significantly based on factors such as your coverage limits, driving record, and where you live. 4. Legal requirements. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage is typically optional. While lenders may require it if you have a car loan or lease, it is not mandated by state law. Most drivers choose to add comprehensive coverage to their policy for the added protection it provides. Liability-only coverage. Liability coverage is a legal requirement in nearly all states in the United States. Each state sets its own minimum liability coverage limits, which drivers must meet to comply with the law. 5. When to choose each type. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage is a good choice if you want to protect your vehicle from non-collision related incidents, such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. It is especially valuable if you own a newer or more valuable vehicle. Comprehensive coverage provides peace of mind and financial protection in various scenarios beyond accidents. Liability-only coverage. Liability-only coverage is a practical choice if you have an older vehicle with a lower value or if you are on a tight budget. It helps you meet legal requirements and provides protection against the financial consequences of injuring someone or damaging their property in an accident where you are at fault. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.